wizard.
Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and today I want to talk to you about our services at DRP Enterprises and Deck Restoration Plus. So when we first started out, window cleaning and pressure washing. That was, over 30 years ago now. And we quickly developed into wood restoration and deck company. And that obviously morphed more into all exterior wood and so forth and all types of decking as we are into today. A lot of those services we have not gotten rid of. We're still the largest pressure washing company in southern New Jersey. We do more pressure washing, especially with all the decks that we do. But we do pressure washing and soft washing. We do anything from your houses to your driveways, your patios, your pavers, your stamped concrete. Not only do we pressure wash that stuff, we also restore it because it's very similar to wood in the restoration process. We can re-dye it, recolor it, recoat it, antique it on your stamped concrete. Your pavers, we resand it, we seal it. Your home exteriors, we can do those as well. So we have a lot of other services. Then on top of the building and rebuilding of decks that we do, the log cabin restoration and repair that we do there, we also do fence installations that a lot of people don't realize, and we also restore wood fences. A lot of the stuff we use our own proprietary products for, our Deck Restoration Plus product line. So there's a lot of other services that we have to offer. If you're interested in our other services, we have carpenters on all the time, so we do any kind of exterior and some interior carpentry as well. We do painting and staining when it comes to the wood. If you have interior projects, we may do those as well, hardwood floors and so forth as well. So, Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, with DRP Enterprises Deck Restoration Plus. We are, the plus means more than just deck restoration and more than just the deck building that we do. We have other services. If you're interested in using our services, just give us a call at 609-268-3436. We'd be really happy to provide you with a free estimate and show you all the other services that we provide. One thing I'm really proud of our company is I have one competitor who will tell other competitors, don't worry about what Everett Abrams does, because his customers are his customers. You take care of the rest. And I really appreciate that competitor sharing that with me, because our customers get us and use us for all of our services. So it's a loyal following, it's a great following, it's a great customer base, it's a great relationship we have with our customers over a 30-year period. I love the fact that on a lot of these, we're working on their second, third home, their second, third deck. They've just been with us for a long time, and we do all of their outdoor living space and then some. So if that's the kind of relationship you want with a company, that's us. That's what Deck Restoration Plus and DRP Enterprises in South Jersey, that's who we are, that's what we do. So again, please give us a call, 609-268-3436. Let's talk about your next project. We'd be glad to work with you on it.